So here, how to starting for affiliate marketing for beginners. So first of all, I'm selecting for my website for promoting for your product. That menu name is called special offers. The special offers only purpose of affiliate marketing product purpose. That is only for product or using for Amazon, Flipkart, Snapdeal, any website which providing for affiliate marketing. First of all, we can sign in for affiliate marketing program. The URL will be called affiliate marketing program for Amazon.in. affiliate-program.amazon.in. Why I'm selecting for Amazon.in is called you can promoting for Indian product. I can taxpayer for Indian. So I'm selecting for India. Now select by your join now free. This nothing will be charging for your amount purpose. This totally can switch your account. Click for login your account. Once login your account, the access your website is mandatory field. That is called first you add your address. Next, your access for US taxpayer. No. Why? Because I'm an Indian product. I'm setting through Amazon. Click for next. After that, we can monetization purpose. Which product you can add the website. So suppose I'm selecting for Amazon portal product. Which website I'm adding to the South Real News special offer page. Just search your page. Click for add. So what are the website pages you can add? You can add the website list on your affiliate marketing program website. Why? Because they can track your reporting purpose. They can track your reporting purpose. In your mobile apps will be there. Add your mobile apps. Right now I'm adding only for one website. That is called two ways. Total website and particular one link. Now click for next. In this, we can generating one ID SRN 510500. But people can understand purpose. This ID belongs to for South Real News ID. Now here, what are your website or mobile app about? Information website. And select your which of the following topics best describe into your website or mobile apps. We can promoting for everything. That is called most we can promoting for business and industrial. Next will be promoted for. So anything is select by go for other also. Here you can select by anything here. Select by multiple options. And why? Because anything you can promoting for using my offer is based on the trending you can promote by that product on your website. Next, what type of are your website or mobile app is totally using for comparison shopping engine, content niche website, coupon deal website. No, content and niche website. Second on portal and directory. And how to get your traffic on your website. That is only based on the offline, social network and forum posting, SEO, blog and others. Is it clear? First I'm adding for one generating ID. Second I'm adding for my website list. If apps are there, add your mobile app also. We can affiliate marketing will done by through mobile apps also. And add your website information and your topic of your discover your website and mobile apps. Category form can promote by using affiliate marketing, your website type of and promote your website purpose and how to utilize your website and app generate income. We can start by subscription service and other affiliate marketing program. I don't have any affiliate marketing program. Other affiliate marketing program I can upload by my website content. Second will be subscription services, means any other services. How do you usually build links? The total will be HTML editor. This I'm using for HTML code. This is totally script code. How many total unique visitors your website and apps get per month? That will be more than 5,000 to 50,000 per month unique website visitors. What is the your primary reason for joining the Amazon Association program? This is not for earning purpose. This is main reason for to monetization my website. You can track the proper report and the user coming to your product and will getting for in this one. How did you hear about us? Based on online search. Add your captcha code FCD AN8. Agree here. Click for finish. These three steps are more important on your affiliate marketing program purpose. Fourth one, add your bank account. Right now, I'm not adding for bank account. Click for later. Is it clear? First step, adding for my address. Second step, add my website and mobile apps. Third one, add your website services, my traffic, my category, everything adding on your sign up options. This three will be important from your sign up process. Address adding, website adding, website purpose of adding your option. So after sign up, your account will be done successfully sign in. Here your ID will be showing for properly. Now click for apply your store ID. So once store ID will be applied. So apply your store ID will be done. Next one, how to add your product for sale purpose on your through your website. Affiliate marketing first will be sign up. Next will be select your product. The product add on your website along with the video is important. First go to product links. In this first of all you can select your mobile. Offer you can't resist. So here will be 2000 cashback. Here will be 3000 cashback. Here will be 3000 cashback. Here will be 5000 cashback. So first here I'm setting this mobile. In this select 1 plus 60. 1 plus 60. Select in this. So the mobile cost will be 39,999. 2000 extra on exchange. So here this offer will check on your website. How much discount will be going on your website. First check. This will be offer. So here will be 37,999. So offer will going on same price. So we'll check Redmi Y2. You can go for Honor 8X. Honor 8X. So we'll check this offer. First, you can check the discount is more important. The discount will be 3,500 will be discount. Now, first, select your content. Honor 8X mobile best discount offer and special code link. Copy this title. Your website, go to your admin panel. Select your post. Add new post. I'm adding for the product on my website. Select English. In this, we can select by the special offer. Get 3,500 discount coupon. Get click link below. shop is I'm using for shop option. In this, copy this here. We'll promote in this option will be two ways. Click for get link. They're showing for total 4 option. Text and image, text only, image only, add widgets. In this most probably using for in this image option. Image, copy the total content. Always copy the total content. Go to admin panel. Just image source enable. In this, disable it. The code will be showing for iframe code with the image option. Code will be placed successfully. Next one, go for back. We can add will be two ways of link. Two ways of link. That is called get click. Copy the link. Copy the link. Nothing but build the link here. They're going to wear on your website. Easier. So the link purpose of copy in your site in a shop, add your hyperlink. Add your hyperlink. Copy and paste. So just paste here. After that, add your specification. Just copy. Take the notepad. Paste it. In total offline marketing, dependent by your image option is most important. So I can show him for image. We'll show him for get discount link. Now, just copy this, paste, paste, mobile, best discount, mobile, special offer. So in this we'll write mobile offer of the day. Same description replaced by thing. Next one. Here click for go for videos. See this one. You can select the video by your YouTube. So see this one. Copy this. See this. Select the official video. Copy. Page by video link. And image you have to design by image. Image will how much your discount will be going on? 3,500 will be discount. You can design your image. So we can design your image here. This will be most important from your design your images. Just increase your my size. So people can visible purpose. Add here. Just download your image will be JPG format. Click for download. Once download your image, just Click here, choose your option. Before choose your file, so whatever my title will be there, same in title you can add your image option. Select it, download, paste it, upload it, and click for submit. What are the product? And you add your images. Same title, you can add your image titles. Both are same. This is a very mandatory field. Click for submit. So once you submit this one, just go here. In a special offer, in a previous offer, it will be 10 hour D2 mobile phone. Now you can refresh here. Once refresh, they show your on Excel mobile version here. Just open this version. Here, two things we can know about this one. One is called they can see your products. Second thing, they can see my video automatically. They play the video for automatically on your video version. See this video. We'll check this video by autoplay. See this. So people can watch. The final they look your screen. Just go back in this your option. Click on this product. They go into your Amazon portal. They can start your sale by your this link. Here two options will be work. One is called content after reading for click for shop. So if your content will be not readable, just click for edit. Change your content will be readable format. Give the space on your content part. Enter, enter, enter. So you can give by space in shop. Increase your size 48 also. Click for update. Coming to refresh. The storyboard not clear will be showing. You can show it by your shop option. When click for shop, they go into your Amazon portal. That is called increase your sales on your add your product on your website. The product when promoting through SEO and SMO, the product increase your sales and more pixel by the users. So this is called start your users for affiliate marketing program. Add on your product, promote by the product using organic method. For sales will increase, earnings will be increase.